How to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Then tap on the three dots in the top left corner. Here, reach the settings and select the Chats option. Now choose Transfer Chats and hit the Start button. Next, it will start the transferring chats procedure. After that, navigate to the WhatsApp application. Following that, tap on the three dots at the top left corner. Then, reach the settings and select the Chats option. Tap on the Chat Backup and back up your chat to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.